Looksmaxing is the concept of maximizing your appearance in every possible way. It's like creating a character in a video game and allocating as many points as you can to enhance the look stat. However, it's different in real life. Some individuals start with most of their appearance already enhanced due to their genetic, while others have a smaller starting point and need to work harder to improve their appearance. Level 1. Consider this step as Level 1, primarily because explaining things using video game analogies makes it easier for me and most of you understand better. You won't progress beyond this level unless you meet certain requirements. This involves establishing a solid foundation. Let's start with the following. 1. Begin a skincare routine with a simple regimen including a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Recommended brands include CeraVe, Cetaphil, La Roche-Posay, and The Ordinary. 2. Clean up your diet by incorporating whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and complex carbohydrates. If you don't have time to cook or hate cooking, get a slow cooker. It's the best investment you'll make for your health. 3. Prioritize sufficient sleep and limit blue light exposure an hour before bedtime. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep at an appropriate time. 4. Initiate a regular workout routine, attending the gym 3 to 5 times a week and focusing on either an upper-lower or push-pull split. 5. Include cardiovascular exercises in your routine for circulation and maintaining a lean physique. 6. Stay adequately hydrated by tracking your water intake and making it a habit. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day. 7. Maintain dental hygiene by flossing daily, using an electric toothbrush, tongue scraper, and teeth whitening strips to keep your teeth white. Ensuring that you complete these steps, or at least start them before progressing to Level 2. Welcome to Level 2, assuming you have a solid foundation to jumpstart your looks maximizing journey. In this step, we aim to enhance what you already possess, starting from the top to bottom. 1. Start a hair routine, grab a non-stripping gentle shampoo and learn to shampoo properly. Most guys have no idea how to do this. Next, grab a nourishing conditioner and learn how to use that too. The conditioner should only go on the middle and ends of your hair. An extra tip is to add a bit of rosemary oil to your shampoo, which can help with thickening your hair, keeping it healthy and nourishing your scalp. 2. Maintain a healthy scalp through gentle exfoliation and appropriate treatment for specific scalp issues. 3. Address hair loss concerns with recommended treatments like minoxidil, finasteride, and microneedling. 4. Experiment and find a suitable haircut that complements your face, utilizing styling products like lightweight pomade or sea salt spray. Move on to grooming facial hair and eyebrows, ensuring a clean, natural, and masculine appearance. If applicable, employ derma rolling and minoxidil for beard growth or maintain a clean-shaven look. Level 3. This level focuses on facial aesthetics to enhance your complexion, lips, and under-eye area. Consider incorporating practices like mirroring, maintaining clear lips, using under-eye masks, and performing gua sha facial massages to promote collagen production and reduce puffiness. Finally, embrace fashion and develop a unique style that aligns with your preferences, be it minimal, old-fashioned, edgy, or any other. Your fashion choices should make you stand out and reflect your personality. Maximizing your looks is about enhancing what you have and working with it effectively. By focusing on body, teeth, skin, and hair, maxing, you have successfully unlocked the potential to improve your appearance. If you're eager to continue leveling up, check out our other videos. See you next time.